Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix slow performance and lag on OPPO Pad 5. So let's start with the basics. Go to your device's settings, scroll down to System and Update, then you're gonna have to select Software Update and just make sure that your device is up to date. Because the most recent software version also includes the security patch, which will enhance your device's security, and it will also ensure that your device works as intended. The next thing is extending the amount of RAM memory. So go to About Device section, go to RAM, make sure to expand your RAM by its maximum and enable RAM expansion. This will also require a restart. After that, go to Accessibility and Convenience, select Accessibility, then Vision, and enable removing animations, which will increase your device's speed as well. Then, if you can, go to Battery and enable High Performance mode. In Display and Brightness, scroll down to the bottom and select Screen Refresh Rate, and make sure to select Auto Select or Standard if you are comfortable with 60 Hz refresh rate. If you are not, use Auto Select. This will also increase your device's performance. After that, we also should check the storage of our device and free up our tablet from all the excessive storage. Generally, we can check the current storage data in About Device. So here we can check how much storage is left. We can also quickly clean up our storage here, like this. But we can also go to, for example, apps and delete all the applications that were pre-installed that we don't really need. So find such applications here and make sure to uninstall them to free up some space on your device. I recommend to have at least 10% of available storage on your device in order for it to work properly. Then also check out the Tablet Manager application where you can easily optimize your device. Also clean up your storage, check for viruses and risks, and remove them just in case. We can boost our system, and we can manage the apps in this menu. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.